The Park Tool THH-1 is a complete set of professional quality sliding T-handle hex wrenches built for speed, efficiency, leverage, and a perfect fit. Constructed from a carefully selected combination of Chrome Vanadium and S-2 tool steels, our T-handle wrenches are durable and capable. The machined chamfered tips allow for easy insertion into hex fittings. The integrated strip gripper hex end aids in removal of bolts with stripped or oversized fittings. The sliding T-handle allows the wrenches to be held in multiple positions for improved leverage and easy access to fasteners in awkward places. The anodized aluminum speed spinner makes quick work of long fasteners. The THH-1 is available as a complete set or individually in the 8 metric sizes most commonly found on bicycles. The set includes a tool holder, which mounts to any wall, bench, or toolbox for easy access and storage.